What is the meaning of the English idiom, break the ice? In brief, it means to make people who don't know each other well feel more relaxed with each other. Here's an expanded definition. To reduce initial tension or awkwardness between people, especially strangers, so conversation or cooperation can begin more comfortably. Here's a little explanation. The ice refers to social coldness. Breaking it refers to warming people up. Let's look at an illustrated sentence example. In the picture, we see a business meeting. The sentence reads, "To break the ice, the team leader invited each member of the new team to state their name and where they were from." So the team would be a little more relaxed with each other. Before we continue, a quick reminder. Continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Just click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. Let's look at another example. We see a young woman in a restaurant waiting for her date to arrive. The sentence reads, "As he approached the table to meet his blind date, he saw the serious look on her face and panicked, thinking, 'However am I going to break the ice?' In other words, what are my opening words going to be to make her feel more comfortable?" Here's a third example. The English teacher said to his new class, "Okay, let's break the ice by doing a quick word game." A word game would reduce initial tension and make the students more relaxed with each other and with the teacher. Notice in this example, you can not only use break the ice when reporting something, you can use it with people you want to break the ice with and directly tell them you are breaking the ice. Here are some important usage notes you will find practical. First, the subject can be a person or a thing. For example, she broke the ice, or the joke broke the ice. Common prepositions used with break the ice are with, by, between. For example, he broke the ice with a joke. He broke the ice by asking a question. The coach broke the ice between the teams by relating a funny experience. The tenses are break, broke, broken. For example, he decided to break the ice. He broke the ice by telling a joke. After he made a self-deprecating remark, the ice was broken. Related forms are icebreaker, ice-breaking. For example, he usually makes a comment about the weather as an effective icebreaker. Playing a simple game can be a good ice-breaking activity. So go ahead and use break the ice with confidence in your daily conversation, whenever describing words or actions that make people who don't know each other well more relaxed with each other. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.